Second Republican Constitution of 1979, Part 3. And in the course of this class, we'll be looking majorly on the state executive. The state executive. The chief executive of each state is the governor. The next thing we'll be looking at is the term of office of the governor. The duration of the first term of office is 4 years, and the governor could be re-elected for a second term. The governor is usually assisted in his office by deputy governor. What are the procedures for impeachment? The president could be impeached or removed from office if found guilty of violating the provisions of the Constitution. For example, the governor of Kaduna State, Governor Bala Rabe Musa of Kaduna State, was impeached by the Kaduna State House of Assembly. So, the governors could be impeached if the governor is found guilty of violating the provisions of the Constitution. The term of office is 4 years, and the governor could be re-elected for a second term. He is assisted in office by a deputy governor. Let's look at some of the functions or powers of the state executive, which is also known as the governor of the state. The governor of the state is involved in the state and federal functions and conferences. So he's involved in the state, and he's equally involved in the federal functions and conferences. Appointment of commissioners and other officials of government. So the governor can appoint commissioners and other officials of government within his state or region. Initiation of policies. The governor of a state or region could initiate policies within a state or region. With this, we've come to the end of the class. In this class, which is Main Features of the Second Republican Constitution of 1979, Part 3, we looked at the state executive, the term of office, the method of impeachment, and some of the functions and powers of the state executive, who is also known as the governor of the state. And with this, we've come to the end of this class, and I'll see you at the next class.